Hi everyone, welcome back to Vamp by S&M. Today I thought it'd be fun to dress up for this look today. I will be showing you guys how to get this really pretty pink shimmery cut crease eye look inspired by Easter. So if you guys want to see how to get this look, please keep watching. So jumping right on into this eye tutorial, I used the Morphe Palette in 25E, and I'm super excited to use this palette because the pigments are amazing, as you guys can see. I did go ahead and pick up the darker magenta shade on a flat eyeliner brush, and I slowly began to outline my crease on my eyelid. And the cut crease look looks best if you outline your crease a little bit above your natural crease line. And again, I started off light and I picked up more pigment as I went on. And then taking a fluffy brush, I am going to just blend that line in. The cut crease look looks best when you are using multiple shades of the color. So I went ahead and used a lighter pink to blend into the cut crease look to create that dimension. And then on a flat eyeshadow brush, I went ahead and dipped it into the Kat Von D Lock-It Concealer in the shade Whiteout to clean up my cut crease line to make it more defined. And then you want to go ahead and just blend your concealer down to your eyelid. And then taking a small precision brush, I went ahead and dipped it into the magenta shade again, just to define my line a little bit more. You'll see me going back and forth from my crease line to my eyelid. And then after the concealer, I did go ahead and just dip my eyeshadow brush into a creamier shade. This is just to set the concealer in place to make sure it doesn't crease and that the concealer line doesn't move up into your cut crease line. And then going back in with a small precision brush, I am just defining out that line even more. And then I took a larger flat eyeshadow brush and sprayed it with the Urban Decay setting spray, and then dipped it into the gold shimmer color on the palette. And spraying it with the setting spray helps to ensure that there isn't fallout and that the glitter does stay on your eyelid. And then taking the angled eyeliner brush, I am dipping it into the same magenta shade I used for my cut crease, and I'm just applying it to my lower lash line. And then again, to create dimension also in my lower lash line, I did pick up darker shades of magenta and lighter shades. And then I am just applying the e.l.f. liquid eyeliner. Perfect, one side down, and now onto the other eye. And then for my lower lash line, I'm applying the NYX Professional Makeup Eye Pencil in the shade Black. And I don't know why, but every time I apply any eyeliner in my lower lash line, I always begin to cry. It just makes my eyes super watery. And then just taking a fluffy brush, I am just wiping away any excess fallout that I had. So before I apply eyelashes, I like to just go over my eyelashes with mascara to cover any shimmer that I may have had. And for mascara, I'm just utilizing the Maybelline Falsies Push Up Drama. And for this eye look, just to make it even more dramatic, I did go ahead and apply mascara to my lower lash line as well. And now for eyelashes. And all done. And there you guys have it, the finished eye look for today. Make sure you guys like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel. We do post every Wednesdays, so stay tuned for that. This is Sibby signing out. Bye!